In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a pull-out drawer for your kitchen cabinet. I started off with this 1/2-inch sheet of plywood, just cutting it down to size. And I need to be exact because it's going to be on the bottom. And I ripped down the remaining 1/2-inch plywood into 1 3/4-inch strips. And these are going to be all 4 sides of the drawer. So after those are all cut to size, I used Craig pocket hole jig to make pocket holes on the bottom panel for the drawer. And as you can see, I'm just putting 1-inch screws into each of the sides, making this drawer perfectly square. It's helpful to use your nail gun so that you can keep it in place that way as you're screwing in your screws into the bottom panel. So as you can see, this is kind of a larger. This is 32 inches wide and it goes about 21 inches back. As to why I used this method for building the drawer. I then took some veneer that I was able to iron on this edge banding. And I did that for all of the sides where the plywood edge was exposed. Next, I used my edge band trimmer to trim off all of the excess because this is only 1/2-inch plywood. Next, I have full extension drawer slides that I'm installing. It's helpful to use a spacer down there at the bottom. And so what I did is I took the inside out and just line up the outside into this onto the spacer. So the spacer is attached into the cabinet, and then you attach the slide into that spacer. It's a 3/4-inch spacer, so it fits right into the face frame, so that's completely flush. Once you do this on both sides, you then attach the inside to your drawers, and then these will just slide right in.